Rotator cuff repair is a very common procedure for both sports medicine surgeons and shoulder specialists. There are nearly 500,000 rotator cuff tears each year across the country, affecting patients mainly in their mid-50s. The procedure is performed primarily arthroscopically, meaning small instruments and cameras are used to repair the tendons. The goal of the operation is to reattach the tendon back to its anatomical position with the use of anchors and suture. To begin, the surgeon will use a shaver to clean up the joint and prepare the bone for the repair. The surgeon will then insert the anchors using an instrument called a bone punch to help pre-tunnel the bone. Once the suture anchor is placed, the surgeon will organize and pass the suture through the tendon using what is called a suture passer. After placing the first two anchors, the surgeon will reapproximate the tendon by adding tension to the sutures, and once the tendon is positioned correctly, another set of anchors will be used to hold that orientation. The purpose of the crisscross technique is to redistribute the tension so the tendons have a less strenuous time healing. Once the rotator cuff is back in the proper position, the procedure is complete. Wanting more information about your upcoming surgery? Join us at rightdevice.com to get everything you need to feel prepared for your upcoming surgery today.